Well, I'm sitting here in the Buick. As you can see, Buick. I don't know what the hell that's about, but there's holes in the fuck. And it says it'll do 140, my ass. It says it goes up to 7,000 RPM. Again, my ass. And the rear view mirrors are the pieces of shit. It's a LeSabre Custom by Buick. Not by Mercedes, not by anything else. Just fucking Buick. And the interior looks like it was bathed in a fucking blue paint factory. The doors match. I have no idea what the hell's going on. I opened it. What happened? What the hell did you do? What the fuck did you do?
What did you do?
I don't know. I was sitting there, I locked it, then I unlocked it, and I opened the door, car alarm. So I think